Every time you sip coffee, wear your favorite sneakers, or order something online, you are interacting with the supply chain. But what exactly is supply chain management and why do businesses spend billions on it? Don't worry about it, this is a beginner friendly video on supply chain management or SCM. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or just curious, this video will break it down in simple terms. Supply chain management is the coordination of all the steps involved in producing and delivering a product or service, from raw materials to the hands of the customers. That includes sourcing, manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and even customer service. In simple words, it is about getting the right product to the right place at the right time at the lowest cost. The main goal of SCM is to make business operations more efficient, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. A well-managed supply chain means faster delivery, fewer stockouts, and happier customers. Think of it as the invisible system that keeps everything moving. Supply chain management has 5 major components: planning, sourcing, making, delivering, and returning. I'm going to make a long video breaking down each components, but for now, just know that planning is about forecasting demand and preparing resources. Sourcing is about finding suppliers and negotiating contracts. Making is obviously manufacturing and assembling. Delivering is about logistics and transportation. And returning has to do with handling returns or defective goods. Let's take a smartphone as an example. The microchips may come from one country, the screen may come from another, and they might be assembled in a completely different country. But the product is shipped globally to reach to your pocket, wherever you are. All those moving parts across countries, companies, and systems are managed under supply chain management. Companies like Amazon, Apple, or Zara thrive because of efficient supply chains. They can launch products faster and manage stocks better and scale globally. From sustainability to tech innovation, SCM impacts how the modern world operates. I'm going to go into much more detailed breakdowns about everything that has to do with supply chain management. So if you found this video useful, or if you want to see what comes next, you can like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next video, which will be soon. Thanks for watching.